Welcome back to Procurement Doodles. Most consultant selections follow competitive methods, but Guideline 3.14 allows two special cases: universities and R&D centers and government-owned institutes. Let's see when and how. First, universities and research and development centers. Assignments that improve local industry or support national development policies may be directly assigned following the Single Source Selection (SSS) procedure. Key rules: fees for permanent staff, not exceeding twice their basic salary. The contract must be with the legal entity, never with individuals. For foreign-funded projects, concurrence of the funding agency is required. Second, government-owned agencies. Direct award is possible only if total cost does not exceed LKR 10 million. Special circumstances exist. Concurrence of the appropriate CPC is obtained. Key rule: lump sum contract with the legal entity, never with individuals. The selected agency cannot undertake any downstream works related to the consulting services, neither directly nor through competition. These are exceptions, not shortcuts. Always follow the SSS process, respect fee limits, and keep contracts with legal entities only. That wraps up our How to Select a Consultant series. Next, we'll start a new topic. Stay tuned. Smart procurement builds a better Sri Lanka. See you next time. That wraps up our How to Select a Consultant series. QBS, CQS, SSS, and the special cases under Guideline 3.14. Coming up next, cost estimation and budget, a crucial step before any selection begins. Stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. Smart procurement builds a better Sri Lanka. See you next time. Hey, if you want to never miss a future upload, hit that red subscribe button, then click the bell icon right next to it. From the pop-up, choose all notifications. That way, every time we drop a new video, you'll get an instant alert. Let's grow together. Subscribe and turn on the bell now.